Hello and welcome. In this video, we are taking on the appointment challenge from @the_box. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Task 1. What does the acronym SQL stand for? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. That's our answer. Task 2. What is one of the most common type of SQL vulnerabilities? The answer is SQL injection. This vulnerability occurs when an attacker is able to inject malicious SQL code into a web application's input, such as login forms. So our answer is SQL injection. Task 3. What is the 2021 𝒂𝒆 Top 10 classification for this vulnerability? To know this, we just need to insert on Google SQL injection 2021 𝒂𝒆 Top 10 classifications. And if you click on the first one, you will see that is this one. So that's our answer. Task 4. What does Nmap report as the service and version that are running on port 80 of the target? So we just need to perform a Nmap scan with the switch A because we want an aggressive scan. And this switch will tell us the OS, the version and other information. Then we just need to insert our IP address on our terminal, click enter and wait a little bit. Okay, as you can see, the service and version that are running on port 80 is Apache 2.4.38 Debian. So that's our answer. This IP can be hosting a site, so let's search it on Google. To do that, we just need to insert on Google the IP address. As you can see, we have a login page here. So let's move on. Task 5. What is the standard port used for HTTPS protocol? Okay, if you search on Google, you will see that the port is 443. Task 6. What is a folder called in web application terminology? Is directory. Task 7. What is the HTTP response code is given for not found errors? So the code is 404. You just need to search it on Google. Task 8. 𝒂𝒂 is one tool used to brute force directories on a web server. What switch do we use with 𝒂𝒂 to specify we are looking to discover directories and not subdomains? To answer this question, we just need to insert on our terminal the following command: 𝒂𝒂-h for help, enter, and here, as you can see, our answer is dir. This switch will enumerate directories and files, okay? So that's our answer. Now that we have all this information, we can perform a brute force directory. To do that, we just need to use the following command: 𝒂𝒂. Then we want to specify that we want to brute force directories, and for that we just need to use the dir switch. Then we just need to specify the target's URL, and for that we just need to use the switch -u. Then we specify the target's URL, http://forward, copy this IP to the terminal. Then we need to specify the word list that we are going to use to discover the names of the directories, and for that we just need to use the switch W. Then if you are using Kali Linux, we have already a word list installed on our machine, and to access it you just need to change directories to user, share, then word lists, and then 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒍𝒆 because we want to perform a directory brute force, okay? Copy this path here, paste it here, then you just need to choose one of these files to brute force directory. We are going to use this one, paste it here, and enter. And we just need to wait a little bit. Okay, for those who don't have Kali Linux, you can search on Google word list for directory brute force. But let's move on to the next task. Task 9. What single character can be used to comment out the rest of a line in MySQL? The answer is the hashtag. Now that we know this, let's search for a SQL injection authentication bypass cheat sheet. I use this one. you can use others, of course. And from this list we can see that, for instance, this one has the character used to comment. So let's try it on our login page as our username. As password we can insert a random number or letter. And as you can see, we could retrieve the flag, but we have one task to answer, and that task is the 10. If user input is not handled carefully, it could be interpreted as a comment. Use a comment to log in as admin without knowing the password. What is the first word on the web page returned? We did already this here, and let's go and see what is the word. And that word is congratulations. So that's our answer. As you can see, we have our flag. That's it, guys. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and insightful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cybersecurity challenges and tutorials. Have a nice day and bye bye!